content on my channel. So welcome to my channel, and this is my first video of the year 2021. Actually, I have shopped a few plants. I have gifted myself few plants on this new year occasion. So I thought to share my plans with you, which all I have bought. So let's get started. But before that, I have my little helper with me today, and her name is Ananya.
Hi!
So friends, let's get started. So my first shopping plant is this cute little Anu. Which plant is this?
Fittonia.
Yes, it's a Fittonia, and I have made a beautiful fairy garden, and I thought to add a few more plants into it. I have shared a video also while making that miniature garden. You can see the link over here and you can check the video. I thought to add this beautiful Fittonia to my garden. So I got this Fittonia. If you can see, it has such a beautiful foliage on it. So this is the first plant. This is Ananya's favorite too, Fittonia. So Anu, which plant should we show the next? I got this Somalomina. It was in my wish list for a long time, and I found it. And if you can see, it has got baby plants also near it. So I'm super excited with this plant. It has got 1 or 2 baby plants. So this is Homalomina, and it's very easy to care for. Actually, I have shopped around 13 plants. I think, yeah, total 13 plants. So another wish listed plant is this Hoya carnosa. If you can see, it is shooting new growth also. See, this is the new growth of this plant, and I hope it will get leaves soon over here. So this is third plant, Hoya carnosa. Let's move on to the next one. Which one to show, Anu? We'll show Philodendron. This is the next plant, which is Philodendron Birkin. If you can see the variegation on its leaves, it's really beautiful, and as soon as it gets new leaves, it gets variegation pattern drawn on them. And if you can notice, see, older leaves has very less variegation on it, and newer has more variegated. So I am hoping that next leaf will be even more variegated. So this is Philodendron Birkin, and it's really easy to care for. Another plant, keep it down. So next on today's list is this Peperomia carparata rosso. So if you can see, this beautiful plant has, if you see its foliage, it's really pretty, and its backside it has maroon color. Yes, it has dark red maroon color, and over here you can see these lines on the leaf. It looks really pretty, and it flowers too. Okay, so let's see when it flowers.
Where are the flowers?
It's not flowering now. It will flower, then we'll get to see flowers also. So let's move on to the next plant. This beautiful heart, Hoya caryi. This is variegated one, Hoya caryi variegata. You want to show? Show it like this. Yeah. It's a heart leaf. Even it is called heart leaf Hoya. It has heart shaped leaves. I'm just hoping they have put little bit stem also with this, so that it can grow in a plant, or else I'll have to keep only heart with me. I'm just hoping that it will grow new plant also with it.
And it's my favorite plant.
Really? You like it?
Because it's a heart shape.
Yeah.
And this is looking
She
like
loves
a heart.
everything in heart shape.
And this looks like a cactus.
This is the succulent, and its name is Crassula ovata. It's not written over here, okay? This is one of the variety of jade, and it has tubular like leaves. It looks really beautiful, and if you can see these leaves, they are very thick, and you can imagine how much water it is storing in it. And they have planted it in coco peat, complete coco peat. So I don't have to water it much as coco peat retains much of a moisture. So I haven't watered it. I bought it like around 1 week back, but I haven't watered it yet. Put it back. Next is
What's this?
ooh, wait.
No,
So next is this cute little philodendron not Birkin, sorry, philodendron micans. Okay, if you can see its leaves, its foliage, it has beautiful velvety leaves. Okay, and it has nice blackish dark green color, and it looks really pretty. And if you touch, what am I saying pretty? It's pretty actually. And if you touch its foliage, it gives you velvety texture. It's really beautiful. I just wanted this plant, so I saw it and I bought it.
and here,
It's a vining philodendron, by the way.
and here is a baby plant of it.
Yeah, it's shooting new growth. Next, it was in my wish list since very long. Okay,
I want it.
it was in my wish list since very long, and that
Monstera.
is this beauty, Monstera adansonii. You know, in India, you don't get to see such plants very easily in nurseries. So I had to search a lot for this plant, and even though now I got it in that nursery, I doubt next time I'll go I'll get to see this plant. So I was really willing to buy this plant. It did cost me a fortune, but still I bought it. It's really beautiful. And they have planted this one also in complete coco peat. Most of the plants in that nursery, the nursery where I bought all these plants, they plant all the plants in coco peat and compost mixture.
Mama.
So it becomes moisture retaining, and they export plants all over the world. So it becomes lightweight as well. So that's the Monstera adansonii. Hi, can you see it? Can you look at it? See the penetration it has. It's beautiful. Swiss cheese wine. It's really
And
pretty.
And the people who are in the nursery and grow these plants, they don't make the holes. They grow with the holes.
So let's move. Which one? This one?
Yes, my favorite.
Take it. But you have to take good care of it, okay?
Yes, I can't water plants because
Okay, let's move on to the next plant, and that's this one.
Too heavy.
I just loved its foliage. I have repotted it actually. It was total root bound, and so I have repotted it in terracotta pot. So this plant's name is shell ginger. Looks really pretty, and its scientific name I'll have to check it in my diary. It's Alpinia zerumbet. I don't know how to pronounce it. If you can see, it has such a beautiful variation on it, and they say it's edible. In China, Chinese people use it in their cuisine. It has little bit tangy taste. I never tasted it, but I heard it. I don't want to spoil its foliage, so I'm not going to cut it and taste it. Okay. So this is my next plant, shell ginger or Alpinia zerumbet.
I also want to taste it.
Next. Let's move on to the next.
My favorite.
And this plant was in my wish list since very long, but I couldn't find bigger one. I got a smaller baby, and anyways, when I check online all the time, it's out of stock. And finally, I found this plant in my local nursery, which is Calathea orbifolia. If you can see its foliage in on Calatheas, What
In
is
all-
wrong with me?
In all Calathea.
In all Calatheas, I like this one because it doesn't have any other color. It comes in different shades of green. I like its foliage the most, so I really want it, and it grows really big. Its leaves grow really big. So I'm just hoping and waiting for it to grow big. I am giving it high humidity, as much humidity as possible. For me, I am providing it. Let's hope it does well. Can you get the other plant? The smaller one? So next plant is this. Scindapsus pictus. Actually I wanted a bigger one, but I couldn't find bigger one anywhere. So I got this smaller baby. So I'm just hoping that this one will grow and I'll propagate it and I'll make a big, like like my pothos, other pothos which I have shown you earlier in my videos, like them I can make it structured. So this is Scindapsus pictus, and if you can see, it has such a beautiful pattern on its foliage. I don't know if it is exotica or silver satin pothos because they all look same for me. So let's hope this grows big and this gives me nice growth and I'll make a big humongous crawling Scindapsus pictus. So plant number 12, I think I am done showing you all my plants, all my new purchases. So this is plant number 12.
Mama.
And I'm left with the last plant, but
Mama.
don't go anywhere because you're going to love that plant.
Mama.
What?
Give me these two plants.
For what? If you let them fall, it will break. This is the plant number 13 on my today's purchase list and on my today's plant haul list. This is the last plant, which is called Chinese money plant, or its scientific name is Pilea peperomoides. Actually, the nursery people, they didn't maintain it so well. They should keep on moving this plant according to the direction of sun. They didn't do that, and that's why Ananya, you're going to break it.
No, I'm not.
That's why if you can see the stem, it was completely lying down on the pot, but I have given it support with this stick, but that is not all that firm. This is managing to stand little bit. I'm just hoping in future it will grow like this, not like this. But that pattern doesn't matter to me, whether it is standing straight or lying down, that's okay. And if you can see, it has already shooted some new babies, and I just hope it keeps on shooting new babies. So friends, that's all for my today's video. I hope you liked all my plants. Please do let me know in comments that if you like my plants, how do you like my plants. I hope you liked my today's video. So I wish you all once again a very happy 2021. Happy New Year guys. Enjoy. And I just pray to the God that this year we all should not face the pandemic like last year, and we'll be enjoying this year, because last year was really horrible for all of us. It was
Really
really
horrible.
tough for all of us.
Yes.
So I'm just hoping that this year will be really nice and great for all of us. So guys, enjoy your new year. Actually, I'm a little bit late to wish you all a very happy new year, but still keep on smiling, keep enjoying your life, keep buying plants like me, and keep gifting plants to others, keep gifting plants to yourself, and enjoy. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.
Bye. Bye.